Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground. And today I want to check out this blue electric facial shaver. Now I've used an electric balder on my head for a little bit of time now, and I figured it's about time I try it on the face too. I got this electric shaver and I'll tell you, I'm pretty impressed with it. Let's take a look at what actually comes in the box. Alright, so this is a 3-headed facial shaver. It's wet and dry. It's 110 to 240, so that means you can plug it in pretty much anywhere you go. And in testing this out, it does give you a pretty close shave. What's neat about it is it comes with 2 other accessories. All you have to do is pop the head off of it, and then you can put a nose trimmer on, or pop that off, and you have yourself a trimmer. It comes with a couple guards too, so if you want to trim your eyebrows or clean up your sides, no problem. There are a couple things to be aware of. One thing that I wish this was a little bit different. While I do like that it's got a button action that opens it up, I wish this could come off so I could do a little bit better of a cleaning on this. It does come with a little brush so you can get into the cracks and crevices, but I prefer when it comes completely off like my balder. The second thing is this is really a great design for a stand. And it doesn't come with a stand. You just plug it in and lay it on the ground. So with all that, what you're wondering is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, absolutely I would buy this again. For as long as I've been shaving, I've been using the standard old razor. I've never been able to find an electric razor that gives me a close enough shave that I'm happy with. This electric razor actually gives me a very nice shave. It doesn't seem to pull or tug at the hairs and it leaves your skin feeling very smooth. But I love this razor. This is my go-to product now. I use it in combination with my balder to keep everything nice and slick for me. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.